Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check serial number on your headphones BeOplay8Sport. Basically we have a few options how to do it. The first one is to take a box, and right here at the bottom we have SN, what means serial number, so we can check it here. Or we can open the box, and right here at the top of charging case we have also serial number, so you can check it here. Or the last option is to open the application. Now it should connecting. Scroll down, click on settings, about, and right here we can also check a serial number. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.